You gotta tell me if you love me or not, love me or not, love me or not. Been wishing for you, am I lucky or not, lucky or not, lucky or not?
Alexa, play Barbie Dreams by Nicki Minaj.
Barbie Dreams by Nicki Minaj on Amazon Music.
Classic shit. I'm looking for a nigga to give some babies, a handful of Weezy, sprinkle of Davies. Man, I ain't got no type like Jimmy and Sway Lee's, but if he can't fuck 3 times a night, peace. Remember when I used to have a crush on Special Ed? Shout out Designer cause he made it out of Special Ed. You wanna fuck me? You gotta get the special head, cause this pussy has some niggas on some special meds. Alexa, stop music. What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janay Nikki, and I just want to say thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am back with another video today, and I am super excited for this video because if you can see, I have yellow. I got yellow freaking hair, y'all. Yellow hair. I have yellow hair. And I'm so mad because on camera it looks like it's like a neon yellow, but it's not a neon yellow. Like, I promise you it's not neon yellow. This is like yellow, baby, like lemon yellow. And I'm just loving it. It's really cute. Now, y'all already know I always do reviews on Amazon Wigs. So, of course, this wig is from a vendor on Amazon. I'm not sure what the name of the company was because this wig is sponsored. They sent this wig to me. I did not buy this wig. So, I will definitely have the vendor's name down in the description box. The link to the hair, the link to their site. I will definitely have all of that in the description box for you guys if you are interested in this wig. I really want to say the vendor's name though, because you know I'm promoting this wig, so I kind of have to say their name in the video. I want to say that their vendor name is Qd-udreamy hair, but don't quote me. Of course, just make sure you go check the description box because I feel like I'm wrong. I don't know for sure. But I really like this wig, guys. I've never had yellow hair. I've never tried yellow on me before. Excuse me, but I really, really like it. I did get some footage of me working on the wig a little bit, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna play that right now.
Hey Birdie, where you find this? Hey, Birdie, where you find this?
Y'all, I felt like a bad bitch with my green hair, my mint green hair, but to be honest with you, I feel like a bad bitch with this yellow. Like, I just feel so fucking bad, y'all. It's a baddie. Dreams of fucking with all these little rappers. I'm just playing, but I'm saying dreams of fucking with all these little rappers. I'm gonna tell y'all, yellow hair is a look, sis. It's a look. I mean, it's a look. Like, come on now, it's a look. Dreams of looking with all these little rappers. I'm just playing, but I'm saying dreams of looking with all these little rappers. Y'all, I swear, I feel like Nicki right now. I feel like I'm about to go in on all you niggas in the music industry. Like, I'm about to air out all y'all shit. That's how I feel. I'm so glad I got some footage of me customizing the wig a little bit, because that just made me speed up this video a lot faster. To be honest, you guys seen what I did to the wig. I told you guys that this is from a vendor on Amazon. Their name is Qd-udreamy hair, but like I said, do not quote me on that. This is a synthetic wig and it is a lace front, so it has lace, but honestly not that much lace. I did put concealer in my part to just give it a more realistic look, so make sure you do that. I did show you guys that I plucked my hairline, but very lightly. I just took my tweezers and I ran it through the hairline and pulled out until I felt comfortable. Yeah, I didn't straighten this wig. I didn't cut this wig. I didn't do anything to this wig. I liked it. I really liked it when I got it out the pack. When I took it out the pack, I really liked how it was falling and how it's shaped and how it's layered. It's layered. I really like that. So I felt like I didn't have to do much to this wig. Yeah, I didn't have to do much to it, and I showed you guys that in the video. So if you're interested in this wig, sis, this is definitely a wig that you can get. Throw it on, you know, lay down your lace, do whatever you gotta do with up here, and then you are ready to go. You are ready to step out and take somebody nigga. Period. 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 That's pretty much it for this video. Before I go though, I did want to show you guys that you guys know I have Amazon Prime, so I'm always picking up something on Amazon. Like, I have a shopping addiction, y'all know that. So my makeup for today, if you guys can see, my eyeshadow that I'm wearing today is by a palette that I picked up on Amazon. It's called Candy Peaches by a company called Jacob and Eli. So I'm going to show you guys right here. This is what the palette looks like. The palette is called Candy Peaches. They have 18 blendable matte and shimmer shadows. So These are the colors, and there's shit. These are the colors. And they're so pigmented, guys. They're so pigmented. The colors that I am wearing today are bubblegum. I'm wearing bubblegum, gummy, and lollipop. These are the colors that I have on right now. Just to show you guys how pigmented. How pigmented. How pigmented. Wait. How pigmented these eyeshadows are. I'm going to show you guys one more. So the one that I just did on my finger is called Rings. This one is called Rings. This one is called Fruity. This one is called Fruity, and they're like, wow, bruh. That's pigmented as fuck, to be honest. I couldn't wait to get this palette in the mail. Like, I really was just waiting for it to arrive. And now that it's here, guys, I got, what is it, 18 blendable. So I got 18 looks coming for you guys. Just wait on it. That's 18 looks. But not for real, guys. Thank you so much again for clicking on this video and seeing how I achieved this look. And if you are also, before I go, this outfit is not new. I've been had it, but if you are interested in where I got it from boohoo.com. I got it a while ago. I think I got it last year. Oh no, I got it in the beginning of this year, back in January, for my Cali trip. I was going to California. I ended up not going, but I did buy this for my California trip, and I got it from boohoo.com. I believe it's in the size small or medium. I'm really not sure. I can't remember. But I will see you guys in my next video.